Hello everyone, this is LeeAnne and welcome back to my channel. If you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe na. Today we're going to try the lip stain, or how do you call it? The lipstick, lip and chat painting color. It's a painting color. It's a lip stain, or how do you call this? Basta. Ito, mga Lippies galing sa 7-Eleven. Dito sa Thailand is they have a lot of 7-Eleven here. Almost every corner of Thailand has a 7-Eleven. Yes. So, mag-try tayo ng mga products na nabibenta sa 7-Eleven. Let's try. But before that, wala pa akong kilay. So, magkikilay na ako. So, ayan guys, tapos na tayo magkilay. Nalagay ko na yung kilay natin at ngayon ito-try na natin yung mga lipstick from 7-Eleven. So, lipstick nila dito is very convenient. Is you can use this, you can bring this anywhere. Lalo na pag we travel, hindi siya, pag nag-melt, wala kang problema kasi nakapaw siya. At saka, tingnan mo, ito siya ay made in Thailand as well. This one, yung ganito. At saka, ano siya, liquid. Parang mga lip tint na tawag dyan. Lip tint, saka ito. So, tatlong companies, lipstick. We're going to try all this lipstick here. So, I'm sorry if nag-switch yung language ko from English to Tagalog. So, I'm just confused. So now, maybe I will just speak in English. I will try my best. So, this is Beauty Cute. This is Beauty Cute. This is Smuto. I think this one is a Japanese brand. And this one is a Thai brand. Here it is Royal Beauty. This one, all of these are 3-in-1, good for the cheeks, the lips, and the eyes. So let's see and we'll try if these one are nice, or which of these products, which of this lipstick are lasting or smells good or bad. Let's see. So let's try this one here. This one I bought the shade number 2. Shade number 2 is very neutral, naturals. Ayan na natin. Guys, if you can hear my neighbors shouting, they're playing PUBG. So sorry for that while I'm filming. Ano siya? Okay, I'm trying to follow my lip line. Okay. This one smells good. And I can't read if how much this one, how many, kung ilang grams ito or milligrams here, but so ito na yung lips ko here. Ganda, diba? This one's, I like this color. Look, closer. Diba? Ayan siya. So, ayan na siya. I think this one's good. Let's see if magda-dry. We'll wait for a bit longer if this one dries your lips. It's not heavy. It's okay. And it is parang ano na siya, parang it settles na. At saka, I don't think this one is transfer free ba tawag doon? Okay, so naka-ano siya, lip proof ang tawag dyan. So ayan. So I think this one's okay. The shade is okay. This one is shade number 2 and this one's 45 baht. I think it's 45 baht. 45? Oh no, 49 baht. This one is a 49 baht. 5 to 50 baht. Somewhere like that. Is this? Try natin. This one here is called the Royal Beauty. And this one is in shade number 1. Shade number 1 right here. Shade number 1. If you can see that. Now let's see if what is the shade of this. Let's try. Let's put it on. Smell like chocolatey. Para siyang chocolate. Para siyang food. The other one smells like fruit, but this one smells like food, like chocolate. It is velvety. This is also for lips, for cheeks, and for the eyes. And let's now put it on our lips. Guys, mamaya natin ito try ito sa cheeks natin, ha? Ay! This one's shiny. Very easy to apply kasi ano siya, parang may oil na ano, something. Nag-glide lang siya. Easy to apply. Because it glides on your lips. Not the same with the other one. Okay. So now, smells good. So here it is. This one, shade number 1. Sorry, they're shouting in the other room. What do you think, guys? Parang walang pinag-iba, no? Pero iba ito siya, may pagka lighter than the other one. Yung isa kasi kanina, ano siya, shade number 2, at saka ito is shade number 1. Pero hindi naman siya isang company, so yes. So now, at saka nagda-dry siya, oh. Hindi siya maganda sa lips. Kasi when it gets drier, parang bumibigat siya sa lips. At saka, alam mo talaga na nag-lipstick ka. Parang nafe-feel mo talaga na nag-lipstick ka. Ayan. At parang nagda-dry din yung lips ko. At first, very easy to apply. Kasi parang nag-glide lang siya na may oil siya na something. And then now, that it dries, parang yung lips ko nagda-dry na din. Aywan lang, maybe because I did not moisturize my lips before this. But iba yung feeling kaysa sa kanila. So ayan, clean na naman yung lips natin. And now we will try the last company or the last brand ng Lippies sa 7-Eleven. This is Muro, and I think this is a Japanese brand. So let's try. I had bought 2 of this. This is also 3-in-1. I bought 2 of this. These are shade number 2 and shade number 3. I think shade number 2 is just the same with this one, the same color here. This one shade number 2 as well, and this shade number 2, and this one is shade number 3. Now we have tried that one. That was the first time we tried on, and now let's move on and let's try first the shade number 2. Is it? No, this is not the shade number 2. So here is Moro shade number 2, and look at that. See this gorgeous lips, and it has a lid, and it says nude. Okay. So first, smell. Iba din yung smell niya. Yung smell niya is it's not chocolatey. It's not fruity. Basta iba. I don't know why. Parang fruit siya, pero ibang fruit. I'm not sure. That's why. Kasi parang fruit na hindi fruit. Kasi ito pala ay smoked peach. Shh. Sorry. So let's try it now. Nude Nismuro, yung shade number 2, and here it is. Sorry. I think guys, I like this one. Now that it dries, hindi siya, it's not this. Guys, it's so hard to film here. So now, ito ay shade number 2 at saka I think as it gets drier, take 3. As it gets drier, hindi siya heavy sa lips. Ayan, hindi siya heavy sa lips at saka para hindi rin nagda-dry yung lips ko. At magaan lang siya. At saka yung applicator niya kasi is walang flat. Kaya challenging din siya maglagay na hindi lumagpas dun sa lip line ko. Kasi ayan, but I think I like this. Oh, wala siya. Wala. Konti. Meron lang konti. Ayan, wala. So, ayun. That was shade number 2 from Smooth Toe. And now, let's see the third one, the shade number 3. Shade number 3, nude. Okay. So here is the last shade that I've tried on. Here it is. I think this one does not dries your lips and it's not heavy. There's no transfer, or have a little bit of transfer because maybe it's not too dry yet. Okay, so meron siya a little bit transfer. So yun. So here. Yan. So guys, vote now kung saan yung gusto nyong shade ng lipstick. So these are So these are the shades from 7-Eleven. These are the Lippies from 7-Eleven. And if you will come here to Thailand, please try buy this one. This is only 50 baht, 49 baht. This is 49 baht, and it's worth trying it. Okay, so why not try it? And it's very convenient for your trip. And also very light lang siya, anywhere you can bring, na hindi ka natatakot na ma-spilled or melt yung lipstick mo na ayan. So guys, try this one and see you in my next one. And if you haven't subscribed yet to my channel, please subscribe now for more Thailand products, for more 7-Eleven products here in Thailand.